Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Maths. Today we are going to find the value of this question without using any calculator. So let us rewrite this question as 100 multiplied by 99. We can write it as 100 minus 1 multiplied with 98. We can write it as 100 minus 2 into 97, we can write it as 100 minus 3 and then this is plus 1. Now let us assume that x is equal to 100. Then we can rewrite this as square root of 100 is equal to x. Then you can write it as x multiply with x minus 1 multiply with x minus 2 multiply with x minus 3 plus 1. Now let us multiply this first term with the last term and the second term with the third term. We can rewrite this as square root of x multiply with x minus 3 then x minus 1 multiply with x minus 2 plus 1. Then we can write this as square root of x into x minus 3 will be x square minus 3x and with multiplication of x minus 1 and x minus 2 will be x square minus 3x plus 2 and then this is plus 1. Then we can rewrite this first term x square minus 3x as x square minus 3x plus 1 minus 1 and this x square minus 3x plus 2 we can write it as x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 1 and in the last plus 1 is there. Now you can see this x square minus 3x plus 1 is common in these two terms. Then let us assume t is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1. So now we can rewrite this equation as t minus 1 multiply with t plus 1 plus 1. We know a formula that a minus b multiply with a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let us apply this formula here. Then we can write this as t minus 1 multiply with t plus 1 will be t square minus 1 square plus 1 and we need to put the square root. Then it will become t square minus 1 plus 1 and the square root. Let us take the positive answer. Then t square, the square root is t. We know that t is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1. So we can write that is x square minus 3x plus 1 and also we have assumed the value of x is equal to 100. So we will apply this value as 100 square minus 3 into 100 plus 1. So this will become minus 300 plus 1 and the answer is 9701. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.